out for the shock. It's coming.
I got that. Did you? I got that.
Life in Sicily usually moves at a relaxed pace, but when the heavy rains hit, it's a whole different story.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
The girl was lucky she only got scared, though it definitely gave her some new grey hair.
Or I got hit by this wild storm, and the wind was so powerful it took down trees one after another, like a game of dinos.
Oh, our tree's gone! We lost 2 trees! Well, our front yard is gone.
It's hard to believe, but such a powerful tornado only wrecked buildings and cars. It might look like weirdly colored glass, but it's just what happened to the basement exit after a serious flood in northern Italy. Imagine stumbling upon a volcanic eruption while on a regular trip to the mountains. Now that's truly epic. Another reminder not to stand outside during a thunderstorm. Oh, fact. Winter thunderstorms are much more epic than summer thunderstorms. Whoa!
Whoa, boom. What the...
Even though the bridge is made of metal, it got knocked down so effortlessly that it seemed like it was put together from Lego pieces.
कंपटीशन हो रहा है ये भी डाल दे मनोज तो उठा के
Surprising aftermath of a massive storm in Utah. Tumbleweeds took over a whole neighborhood. Who would have thought they could gather in such big numbers, right? Water tornadoes are a usual sight in Louisiana, but the sheer scale of this one left the locals completely amazed. A massive and rapid mudslide is the first thing the cameraman saw when he went outside. Definitely not your average morning, but it's one you won't forget. It only took a few seconds for a rush of water and debris to wipe out something that took us hundreds of hours to put together. Talk about sheer power. The brochures don't tell you about cruises.
That's behind it. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh my cow. Look at it move. Wow. Look.
Water might just be the strongest element out there. Just check out how effortlessly it took down that huge bridge in northern India. And instantly flooded an entire highway. This pontoon bridge seems to be getting lifted by some unseen force. But you know, ice flows can be surprisingly strong too. That's another one. We're not dealing with burst pipes or flooding here. It's the earthquake that's pushing groundwater to the surface. Is it lava flows or a bubbling lake of red clay? Not at all. These are the stunning Iguazu Falls in all their glory during a river overflow. This is what stress relief soil looks like. I bet they hung out there for more than an hour.
When